Revor Plug, Gawith and Hogarth, Northern England, comes in a black, and I do mean black, plug form that is incredibly easy to break apart, fluff up, and get pipe ready. Here, let me show you. I have cut the plug down so that it fits in this little jar, but I can still show you a good chunk of it. And here it is. You can see how easily those flakes are coming apart from the block. Sort of shuffle it like a deck of cards. Look at that. Just prise right apart. Nice black color, very easy to handle. Smells lovely. Someone said it smells like linoleum, shoe polish, and men's aftershave or something. It reminded him of a shoe store in the 1960s. I get that. I really do. I was a reviewer on Tobacco Reviews. It is the Revor Plug, a mixture, a blend of Kentucky burley, which I believe is fired Kentucky burley, and then flue-cured Virginias, pressed together in a cake, lightly topped, although I'm not really sure what the topping is. Yes, this is a Lakeland. I expected some soap and some floral and stuff in the background. There's a little tiny bit of it there, but it's not like an Ennerdale or something where that's all you taste. No, this is tobacco. It's sweet. Now, I will say this, if you don't let it air out and dry, once you busted it up, rubbed it out, if you don't let it air dry at about 50% humidity for about a half hour, you haven't really dried this enough out of the package. You're going to have a tough time keeping it lit, particularly at the start, although once it catches flame, it tends to stay lit. The flavor starts real sweet. Tobacco sweet, not fake sweet, not topping sweet, but real good, nutty, sweety burley. The smoke has an incredibly nice mouthfeel. It's creamy, for want of a better term. I love it. Can you get this in the United States? As far as I know, no. It's very hard to come by, but if you have a trading buddy in England, beg him, plead him, offer bribes, get yourself some of this. Nicotine is a blowtorch on this, but it's ambushy. It sort of creeps up on you through the entirety of the bowl. This actually yields, I think, more nicotine than Dunhill's Nightcap, although not quite as much as Dunhill's Royal Yacht, for comparison. On the nicotine scale, where 1 is nothing and 10 is, I'm getting the spins, I need a glass of water, you might have to call 911, this is about a 7.5 to an 8, so it does yield an awful lot of nicotine. Room note is strong, but it's not acrid. It doesn't smell like old Ironsides being smoked inside of a phone booth. It's not acrid. It is a sweet, heavy tobacco smell. It's very classic in the way it smells in the room note. Now, my wife has an aversion to stinky tobaccos, and she'll be the first one to let me know, but so far, she has not yet complained about this one, even though the room note is real strong on this. It's strong, but it's really pleasant. This is one you gotta have if you can get it. On the squinty scale, where 1 is disgusting and 5 is a must-have, this is a 5 all day, every day. Could I smoke it all day, every day? Hell no! Nicotine would drop me. It's strong. But the flavor is so good, I do want to keep smoking it. The mouthfeel, the smoke, it's lovely. It's fantastic. Revor Plug, R-E-V as in Victor, O-R, Revor Plug, from Gawith and Hogarth in Northern England. If you can get yourself one of these 25-gram plugs, be sure to get yourself one. A trade with somebody, beg, steal, borrow, get some of this. It's definitely worth a try. From the dank basement, hello Y.T.P.C. Good to talk to you again, and we look forward to the next time. Bye. It's good. Oh, And thank you, Tom, in Birmingham, for sending me the fresh package of the Revor Plug. I appreciate it. Good.